Hyderabad. So I will tell you about history of Patanjali. Patanjali was founded by Swami Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishna. Swami Ramdev was born on 25th December of 1965, and when he was 8 years old, he was paralyzed, and his left side was affected. He corrected that from yoga. After his 8th standard, he joined a Gurukul. There he studied Sanskrit and yoga. He met there with Acharya Balakrishna. Acharya Balakrishna was a very curious person. In 1995, they started Divi Yoga Pharmacy. There they met herbal and Ayurvedic medicines. And Ayurvedic medicine, and then in 2006 they started Patanjali Company as a private limited company. But in only 1 year from private limited company it became a public limited company. Now I will tell you about the company. It's a public company. It's founded by Acharya Balakrishna and Swami Ramdev. Its net income 5.9 billion and revenue 45,000 crore. You can see here the website of Patanjali. Now I will tell you about founder and owner of Patanjali. It's founded by Swami Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishna. Patanjali is an Indian multinational conglomerate holding company. Owner. Ramdev doesn't take a hold of the company. He is only face of the firm. And Acharya Balakrishna have 94% of ownership in Patanjali company. He was listed as Indian 50 most influential personalities in 2020, and he was reported as Indian third youngest billionaire by Forbes in 2020. Now vision and mission. Vision is keeping nationalism, Ayurveda and yoga as our pillars. They want to create healthy society and country, and they want to bring blessings of nature in everyone's life. And mission, they making India an ideal growth and development for Ayurveda, and prototype of the rest of the world. Now Sushant will continue.
Thank you, Ranjana. I am going to tell you about the product of Patanjali. As you know, Patanjali Ayurvedic Limited is a manufacturer and supplier of nature-based products like herbal and medicine. The company offers products across various categories that include natural personal care, natural health care, natural food care, Patanjali Paridhan, Ayurvedic medicines and herbal home care. So there are some images of product which is manufactured by Patanjali. So Ayurvedic medicines, home care and Patanjali Paridhan. I am moving to next topic. This is the marketing strategy. Marketing strategy is essential for all company because without marketing strategy we can never able to run our business. If we have proper marketing strategy, we can reach more people who are not aware to our product. So if I tell you about the marketing strategy of Patanjali, so first it is Patanjali Swadeshi Samriddhi Card, and second brand ambassador Baba Ramdev, strong distribution network, and fourth is word of mouth promotion, last it is competitive strategy. If I tell you about the Swadeshi Samriddhi Card, so Patanjali Swadeshi Samriddhi Card is a kind of shopping card. If you make purchase from this card, company will provide 10% cashback and free insurance up to 5 lakhs in case of death and up to 2.5 lakhs in case of permanent disability. So I think this card is very good for Patanjali customers. So second is brand ambassador Baba Ramdev. As you know, Baba Ramdev is famous for Yoga Guru. So as soon as we take his name, the image of yoga comes before us. So it is a very big pleasure for Patanjali company that Baba Ramdev is a brand ambassador for that company. The third is strong distribution network. Patanjali Ayurveda strong distribution. Patanjali Ayurveda Limited established its retail store as known as Patanjali Chikitsalayah, and Arogya Kendra across the country. These stores exclusively sells Patanjali products, and the products of Patanjali are available in market, supermarket, hypermarket, and kirana stores. Fourth is word of mouth promotion. If I say about word of mouth promotion, so many customers who have faced positive result from Patanjali products, they are share their thought and feedback to their relatives and other people who are not aware to this product. So it works as a word of mouth promotion. So last it is competitive strategy. If I say about competitive strategy, so this strategy is a most effective as compared to other strategies because the price of Patanjali products are very low. So many people attracted with this company. So because they are feeling same satisfaction in lower price as compared to other companies' product. So this is the this help to increase customers level for Patanjali. So last second topic is SWOT analysis. It will continue in South.
Thank you, Sushant. My topic is SWOT analysis. First, strength, strong sense of पार्टिशन. इसमें पतंजलि कंपनी में देशभक्ति की प्रबल भावना को बताया गया है. आयुर्वेदा एंड हर्बल ब्रांड जो पतंजलि कंपनी आयुर्वेद एंड हर्बल ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट बनाती